Hi everyone, it's me, Leigh, with Victorian Dreams by Leigh, and can you believe I'm actually making another video? I'm surprised, but I had some time and I wanted to show you more of my Snippet banners. I went ahead and used the whole pack. There were 12, so I made 4 banners, and I showed you the first one with the Glue Gun Chronicles. That's right, Glue Gun Chronicles is back. So here's my first banner, and I'll just get closer on it, and then I'll show you my other ones, and then I'll show you the sneak peek. This has a pin in it, so it does move around, so you could always take that off. But I'm going to show you the sneak peek of what I'm working on next that I've been dreaming and thinking about for about a year. So there's one, and they're all about the same, but one of them. Here's the second one, and I'll get close up to see the layers. So hopefully you can see layers on that. And I like this scrunched up, just scrunch it up because I like the movement of it. And then here's this one. So there's another one I made. Let's see. And here is another one right there. And up close. They're very, very easy. And then I made one a little different, same type, but it's pink. So let me show you this up close. I don't have but maybe 5 pink items, so I struggled on this because I don't have a lot of pink, but I want to make a pink one. So there it is. I see flyaways, but this piece, one piece right here, is actually ribbon and not even lace. So there is my project share. I hope that you like it. Now let me show you a sneak peek of what I am going to be working on. I'm using Graphic 45, Love Notes, and back in my stash, way back in my stash, and boy do I have a stash of it, from Saw Crafters. She is destashing right now. I don't know what she has, but I'm going to make that piano. So that is my sneak peek of what I'm working on right now. I'm going to enjoy my time away from work. I'm going to not think about anything. I have a timer right now to say get dressed to go to mass and then out to dinner. And so I'm not going to think about anything. I'm not going to worry about anything. I'm just going to enjoy the process of me being in my happy space. So I hope you enjoyed what I shared. Caring is sharing. Glue Gun Chronicles tutorials are back, and all my links are down below of how you can find me and follow me and be in Glue Gun Chronicles group, and hit that subscribe if you've never been here before, and hit the bell because you never know when I'm going to make a video, because I didn't even know I was, but I did. So I hope you like it. Bye guys, have a blessed day.